DH05 is a customized industrial remote control. Support 14 custom buttons to control 14 switches. An emergency stop button supports 2 external switches, which can control the two-way switching value of the receiver. With waterproof design, it reaches IP67 level, 200 meters barrier-free transmission distance, suitable for industrial equipment, welding industry, cutting industry, mining industry, etc.